One altcoin is about to jump to the number 3 top cryptocurrency spot, and Chainlink could be getting ready for its next huge leg up. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Altcoin Buzz Alpha wants to congratulate you all on a very profitable month of November. Bitcoin rallied past $35,000, is now hovering around 44. On November 4th, we published an alpha report and mentioned the Bitcoin targets. As we had a target in mind, we planned our November strategy meticulously, and we all achieved our targets. We had overall 61% profit in Bitcoin, 2x profit on 6 of our portfolio coins, 3x profit on our gem calls, 3 to 5x profits on 4 IDOs, and $1,800 profit on buy and sell calls. Join Altcoin Buzz Alpha for only $15 a month and get an 8% discount on yearly subscriptions. Check out the description for more details. Bitcoin struggled to hold above 43K into December 8th as an altcoin surge put Ether in the spotlight. Eyeing Bitcoin's share of the overall crypto market cap, analyst Matthew Heiling described recent progress as a potential false breakout. Bitcoin dominance hit 55.5% on December 6th, in line with the Bitcoin price highs, the highest reading since April of 2021. Heiling wrote on X saying it would need to close above support to avoid a false breakdown. Currently, it's below. At the time of writing, dominance stood below this at around 53.9%. Some altcoins took advantage of the situation, with ETH hitting 23.92 before seeing a modest correction of its own on the day. Solana hit 73.50, its highest since May 2022, as investors increased bullish bets on 3 figures entering the future. Research from Santiment argued that fear, uncertainty, and doubt, or FUD, surrounding an altcoin breakout could ultimately help Bitcoin, saying traders are fearful that crypto markets may be in a bull trap at the moment, but while Bitcoin may have stopped its momentum for the time being, Ethereum and altcoins are blasting off once again. FUD could propel Bitcoin to 50K if it increases. Trader Credible Crypto, known for his optimistic perspective on Bitcoin in the current environment, argued that accumulation was ongoing before the next leg up for the largest cryptocurrency, saying those bids got filled, then we had another set of bids pop up after the initial bounce, which also got filled, and now we have a third set of bids that just appeared below price. Someone is clearly accumulating Bitcoin on this dip in anticipation of the next leg up. Also, if you didn't know, our gaming channel, Fungible Games, has launched a Christmas Advent calendar doing daily giveaways. From December 1st until the 25th, this giveaway calendar brings with it a fresh chance for you to win fantastic gifts from their partners. Their prominent partners include Star Atlas, Corpo Game Studio, Cryo War, Thedan Arena, and more. Check out the Fungible Games giveaways with the link down below. Not your keys, not your coins. You've heard this a million times, and it's about your non-custodial wallet. By controlling the private keys of the digital wallet, you also control the assets in the wallet. So first, obviously never share those private keys, but secondly, what crypto wallet do you use? There are so many options in chains, and many chains ask you to have a separate wallet specific to their chain. That's where we want to introduce our partners at the XDEFI wallet. This crypto wallet can handle 180 chains. This includes EVM chains, Cosmos IBC chains, and also Solana, Bitcoin, BNB, and more. And this is all in one wallet. It's also the first and only wallet that allows bridging between both Ethereum and Cosmos tokens. XDEFI wallet supports Ledger and Trezor. However, here's the most interesting part. You can swap and bridge between 10,000 assets on 180 chains in wallet. Why I also like it is that all your assets from every chain are displayed on one single screen. It's also different from how Metamask and Trust Wallet display assets. XDEFI shows you the total amount of USDT or any other token that you have across all chains all in one display. Now you can click a drop-down menu and see which chains your USDT is on. This is very much unlike Metamask, where you can only see the amount of USDT on a particular chain. NFTs in the XDEFI wallet work in a new, innovative way. Instead of just seeing your NFTs in the respective chain, XDEFI shows them all in one gallery. The wallet also supports Bitcoin inscriptions, and you may know them as Bitcoin ordinals. And the great thing is that they show up in your gallery exactly the same as all your other NFTs. You can also easily import any wallet into XDEFI, for example, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Phantom. It's never been easier to migrate out of your old wallets until now. Give XDEFI a try today with the links down below. Oracle service provider Chainlink seems to be ready for another price rally amid the major resurgence in the altcoin market. The Link price has bounced back to $16, gaining 3% in the last 24 hours, eyeing a potential target of $20. On-chain data provider Santiment highlights the Binance funding ratio for Chainlink tilted majorly towards the longs. According to Santiment, the Binance funding rate ratio for Chainlink has shifted predominantly in favor of long positions, reaching its highest point in 4 weeks. As Link has surpassed the $16 mark, it is advised to monitor whether FOMO triggers a local peak or if price sustains their upward momentum, potentially heading towards $20 with minimal resistance. According to crypto analyst Ali Martinez, Chainlink is currently trading above a crucial support zone. Notably, over 17,000 addresses have acquired 47 million link within the price range of $14.40 to $14.80. The potential for this level to hold suggests the possibility of a rebound in the near term. The Chainlink staking V2 community pool has reached full capacity, with an additional 19 million links staked within just 7 hours since the opening of early access. In a message on X, Chainlink expressed its gratitude to the community, including both V1 migrators and new stakers, for actively engaging in the V2 launch. A total of 40,875,000 link has been contributed, actively contributing to the security of the Chainlink network and the verifiable web. Following the general access launch scheduled for December 11th, staking V2 will be accessible to everyone as pool space becomes available upon the completion of withdrawals by existing stakers. On December 8th, Vaneck made 15 crypto predictions for 2024, including price forecasts, the timing of the spot Bitcoin ETF launch, the impact of the Bitcoin halving, and the emerging dominant crypto platforms. Vaneck is among several firms, including BlackRock and Fidelity, that are vying for an approved spot Bitcoin ETF, as well as the spot Ethereum ETF. Vaneck is confident that the first spot Bitcoin ETFs will be approved in the first quarter of 2024. However, it also had a gloomy prediction for the US economy. They said the US recession will finally arrive, but so will the first spot Bitcoin ETFs. The firm also stated that the Bitcoin halving, due in April or May, will see minimal market disruption, but there will be a post-halving price rise. Vaneck predicts that Bitcoin will make an all-time high in Q4 of 2024, potentially spurred by political events and regulatory shifts following a US presidential election. The firm also said it believes Ether won't likely flip Bitcoin in 2024, but it will still outperform major tech stocks. They said, like past cycles, Bitcoin will lead the market to rally, and the value will flow into smaller tokens just after the halving. ETH won't begin outperforming Bitcoin until post-halving and may outperform for the rest of the year, but there will be no flippening. Despite this, Ether's market share will be challenged by other smart contract platforms such as Solana, which has less uncertainty surrounding their scalability roadmap. Ethereum is the current industry standard for smart contracts with a market cap of $285 billion. Solana is a rival high-throughput blockchain with a market cap of $30 billion. They also said that Solana will continue to outperform ETH as DeFi TVL returns, and that Solana will become a top 3 blockchain by market cap. They added that fueled by this rise, Solana will join the spot ETF wars thanks to a flurry of asset managers submitting filings. Related to Solana's continued market share gains, we see a legitimate possibility that Solana-based pricing oracle Pyth flips Chainlink in total value locked. For reference, Chainlink today stands at $15 billion and Pyth is just under $2 billion. Airdrop season is back in some parts of the crypto world. Layerzero developers said on Friday morning that they plan to issue a token sometime in the first half of 2024, confirming widespread rumors and causing an immediate uptick in the metric of some projects built on the network. The network is an interoperability protocol that uses a novel technique to make it easier for different blockchain networks to connect. Its developer, Layerzero Labs, raised $120 million at a $3 billion valuation in April. They wrote in a post on X saying, Layerzero has always been built with the ability to have a native token within the protocol, as can be seen with the mutable code launched on day one. We've heard the community discussion over the last few months and the lack of clear communication around this. We'll state now in no uncertain terms that there will be a Layerzero token. Its distribution is something we're committed to getting right and expect it to happen within the first half of 2024. On Thursday, Solana ecosystem project Jito drops its JTO token. Some users claim to have received as much as $200,000 worth of tokens. Not everyone is selling, but some users are supplying their holdings back into other Solana projects in hopes of more airdrops in the future. Meanwhile, after the Friday announcement, some Layerzero ecosystem projects saw a boost in their token prices and locked value. As of Friday, Layerzero has not outright mentioned how it intends to reward users for using its network. However, popular strategies include merely interacting with Layerzero-based platforms by using their services such as borrowing, trading, or lending.